The moon, our celestial companion. It lights up our night sky, it controls the tides. But what is it really? Where did it come from? Conventional science tells us a story. A Mars-sized object collided with Earth billions of years ago. The debris formed the moon, but this theory has holes. Big ones. The moon is too perfectly spherical, its orbit is too precise. Is it possible that the moon isn't what we think? Could it be something more? For centuries, humans have looked up at the moon with wonder and speculation. Its presence has influenced our myths, our religions, and our understanding of the cosmos. But what if the answers we seek are not found here on Earth, but in the very object of our fascination? What if the moon itself holds the key to unlocking a truth so profound, so shocking, that it could rewrite our history and our place in the universe? The moon's size relative to Earth is unusual. It's much larger than other moons in our solar system compared to their planets. This size ratio is critical. It gives us our stable climate, tides, and even the length of our day. Without it, life as we know it might not exist. Coincidence or deliberate design? Some scientists propose a radical theory. The moon is not a natural satellite, it's artificial. A creation of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. This might sound like science fiction, but let's consider the possibilities. The moon's composition is strange. It contains metals and isotopes not commonly found in nature. It's almost as if it were engineered. The moon's surface is incredibly hard, much harder than it should be, given its presumed age and composition. This has puzzled scientists for decades. Could this be evidence of a highly advanced artificial shell, a shell designed to withstand impacts and the harsh conditions of space? Furthermore, the moon's craters present an anomaly. They're all relatively shallow, regardless of their size. This is unexpected. Impacts from massive asteroids should have created much deeper craters. Is it possible that the moon's surface is composed of a material that absorbs impacts? A material unknown to our current science? There's more. The moon rings like a bell when struck by meteorites. This suggests a hollow or less dense interior, not what you'd expect from a solid, natural body. Some researchers believe this is further evidence of an artificial structure. Ancient cultures around the world have myths about the moon's arrival. Some stories describe it as appearing suddenly in the sky. Is it possible these myths are based on real events? Could they be echoes of the truth passed down through generations? The mathematical relationships between the sun, earth, and moon are uncanny. For example, the moon is precisely the right distance from Earth to perfectly eclipse the sun. This creates stunning solar eclipses visible from our planet. Is this a coincidence or a sign of intelligent design? If the moon is artificial, why is it here? What purpose does it serve? Some theorists speculate that it's a giant observation post, a way for extraterrestrials to monitor our planet and the development of life on Earth. The moon could be a base for conducting long-term studies of Earth and its inhabitants. Its lack of atmosphere and geological activity would provide an ideal vantage point for observation. Perhaps they are waiting, watching and learning from our progress or lack thereof. Perhaps the moon serves as a giant warning beacon, a sign to other spacefaring civilizations that Earth is already claimed. Or maybe it is something else entirely. A concept beyond our current understanding and imagination. The possibility of the moon being an artificial construct challenges everything we thought we knew about our universe. It opens up a Pandora's box of questions about our place in the cosmos, the nature of reality, and the very existence of extraterrestrial intelligence. While we may not have definitive answers yet, the evidence is compelling. We must keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep looking up at the moon with a sense of wonder and a thirst for the truth.